Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another What I Eat in a Day video. Thank you so much for continuing to join me for very fantastic days of food. I'm so sorry it's been so long. You guys know normally I'm like clockwork. Every other day I upload videos and I have been doing that for like 3 or 4 years. But there's been a lot going on behind the scenes recently and I've just honestly not had the time to sit and dedicate to video filming. I'm not going anywhere, my channel is still here, but it's just had to take a tiny bit of a backseat because we're house hunting. It's all very exciting and every weekend is consisting of viewings and chats with our mortgage broker and things like that, and the market at the moment is just so crazy that things just take extra time. So it's all very exciting, but for the next few months, if you guys could just bear with while we find our feet in all of this, that would be much appreciated. But I'm so excited to get in more of a routine back and filming these super regularly. So I'm just gonna get started. Bit of a long intro, but I kind of wanted to explain where I've been for the past few weeks and why my videos have been really sparse over the past month or so. Anyway, I hope you're all really well. Today started off with one of my new loves in life, which is maple butter. Oh my goodness, it's something that I've become so obsessed about. And this morning I had it with another favourite of mine, a hot cross bun and some conserve. So I'll insert that now. Of mine sent me some maple butter and honestly I didn't expect to love it as much as I do. This is what it's called. She gets it from an independent like farm shop near where she lives in Wales. I have done a full blog post on it if you're interested, but honestly I have 6 tubs of this and already one is gone. It is absolutely delicious. It kind of reminds me of a butterscotch kind of taste. It's quite caramelly, it's delicious, it's light. Honestly, I've just been absolutely loving it. I've had it every single day since I got it. And my favourite thing to have it on is hot cross buns, which I love anyway. So I'm gonna have that. And honestly, it is just, I mean, the dreamiest texture. And I have it with jam and I live my best life. It's kind of become my go-to breakfast if I'm honest, but now I'm thinking about having a chicken sandwich with some crisps, and we have like a deli chicken that we picked up earlier, and then tonight I think I'm going to whip up a very simple calm curry because I can do a curry in my sleep. It's very calming, very simple, very relaxing, a great way to use up any veggies we have rolling around the fridge. So that's the plan for tonight. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go for this second and stop rambling because yeah, but I hope you all enjoy it. I'll link my outfit in the description box down below in case anyone is interested, but let's get on with the day. So I'm gonna have an afternoon snack now. Normally I would have some chocolate, but honestly I'm just really into my fruit at the moment. So I'm gonna have a bit of honey yogurt with my fruit. This is the one from Tesco. I really like it. I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna cut some nectarine and some grapefruit. I've been really into eating grapefruits recently, which has been so nice because it's not something I have often, but I absolutely love it when I do. So grapefruit, nectarine and raspberries is what is for my afternoon snack, and honestly a big bowl of fruit is just so satisfying to me, and grapefruit, oh, it's just the best. what I eat in a day. I've cooked that curry so many times on this channel that I didn't bother like walking you guys through it because I know I've done it so many times, but I'll put my recipe in the description box down below in case you guys are interested. And I hope you all enjoyed it. Again, please bear with me. I've just been a little bit busy recently, but I really hope once things calm down and we're in our new house, things will settle. But again, it's all very, very exciting. So I hope you've all enjoyed catching up with me today. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.